Hey, thanks for joining us here today, guys. Checking out the Thor Tranquility. So Class B motorhome, gonna range 19, 20 some feet right there. It's nice, no slides to worry about. Also gonna have all of your living quarters right there. Convection microwave. They can be outfitted with lithium series batteries to be able to run off grid for a very long time. This line's gotten very popular with the Mercedes chassis, so you get that nice touch feel quality that Mercedes is known for in a Class B motorhome with a fiberglass roof. I just like these units, really no upkeep on them. They last a very long time, and once you guys stop somewhere, you have full access to all your living amenities right there.